In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted your display to reflect a new project, a more professional handle, or simply a clearer identity, this takes just a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can make the change confidently without hunting through menus. Start by looking to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT screen. That's where your account controls live. You'll see your profile picture or a small avatar. Sometimes it may just be an icon with your initials. Click that image. This opens a compact menu that gives you access to your account details and settings, and it's the quickest gateway to your profile. From this menu, choose Profile. Selecting Profile brings you to a simple page focused on your personal information within ChatGPT. It's designed to be straightforward, so you don't have to dig through complicated settings or unrelated options. Everything relevant to your identity and how it appears is grouped here for convenience. On the profile page, look for the field labeled Username. This is the name that appears with your account in places where a username is shown. Click into that field, delete the current text if needed, and type your new username. Take a quick moment to check spelling and readability before moving on. A clear, memorable username can make it easier for others to recognize you, and keeping it concise can help it look clean across the interface. Once you've entered the new username, hit Save. The Save button is there to confirm your change and prevent accidental edits. After you click Save, your new username should be applied right away. If anything needs your attention, like formatting or availability, you'll typically see a prompt on this screen, so give it a glance to make sure everything went through as intended. That's the entire process. Open the account menu from the bottom left, select Profile, update the username field, and press Save. It's quick, reliable, and easy to repeat if you ever need to make another adjustment in the future. As a tip, choose a username that represents you well and avoids personal details you wouldn't want to share publicly. Keeping it professional and consistent across tools can also help people find and recognize you more easily. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, you're all set to personalize your ChatGPT experience with a username that fits you perfectly.